First few packages have arrived. We got 3 packages. I'm unboxing them and show y'all what's in there. So, in the 3 boxes, we have the rear bumper, the front bumper, like the absorber impact, as well as a roof wrap. We're gonna be wrapping the roof carbon fiber. So I got a wrap to match that, and we might wrap any other things that we might want to do carbon fiber for some reason. Those are the 3 things that are here. A few other things should be coming in a few days. All right, boys, we got some more parts. Side skirts, headlights, tail lights. Well, headlight, tail light. Side skirts, engine splash shield, and a bunch of stuff like throttle controller, etc. So far, I've gone to the rear bumper, having some issues over there. And yeah, that's just kind of how it's been so far. You've got the headliner out because we're gonna do star lights. We got a bunch of the interior out. We got all the front kind of dismantle as well. Intake out because we're getting the intake. A lot of good stuff. But I'm gonna do unboxing and then I'm gonna show you what's in there. Yesterday we got the rear bumper. We also got that right there is the front bumper absorber, and then in that box down there is a carbon fiber roof wrap for the roof. So we're gonna put that on later. I just been working on this. I'm trying to fix this and all that. I might have to buy a new bumper, but we'll get to that. We'll do the unboxing, then I'll show you what. Third box is the side skirts in carbon fiber. It should be in carbon fiber. I don't know if I ordered it should be in like carbon fiber look. I don't know if it's actually carbon fiber. I highly doubt it, but they're like side skirts, front bumper side skirts, and all whatnot. So front bumper, side skirts, and all that good stuff. Box is a pedal commander. I figured I'd try it just because, the IS250s, I don't know if you know, but like the throttle sensitivities are kind of like matte. So I got the controller. All right, good. There's 4 more to go. We're gonna do that one next. In here we have the engine splash shield. Much needed, as the front one is nowhere to be seen now. And then we have the headlights. And I ordered these 2 together. They were like the same listing. So it was like front, it was like rear and tail light. And it was like around $640, I want to say. So like I didn't order them separately. It just came in a separate box. And like the tail lights, these are also nicely packaged, well protected. Look how they look. I'm gonna install them. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look at these are gonna look spectacular. These are gonna look amazing. This is like you have to do a few bit of extra wiring, but we'll figure that out once we get to the front. We're gonna finish up that first. Try to make that work. I have no confidence in that just because I feel like the chassis is a bit twisted, like I just said. So we'll work on that, but these are the headlights. We got 1 more box. I'm actually not sure what this one is. I don't remember. So yeah, we have a massive 55-inch carbon fiber wing. That's right, a carbon fiber wing. Sure if I give you guys a sneak peek on how they look. You can take this with one hand, but look at that. Look at that. That looks good. I'm a little skeptical how it's gonna look on the IS, but we'll see how that looks. That is it for today. Tomorrow we got a few more things coming in. I'm not sure since I ordered a bunch of parts, but once tomorrow comes, we'll also do the unboxing and sneak peek of what's to happen. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good day. Welcome back to another unboxing. 2 big packages today and a few more coming. This should be the front bumper and then this should be the quarter panel. So we're gonna take it off and see what's up. But here's how the rear end is looking. We still gotta paint it and then add the rear diffuser, but that's how it's looking. So here's the quarter panel, which isn't really that big. And then here's the box that they put it in. Like, it's damn near 2 times the size. The front bumper. First, I wanna say I'm glad they didn't like fold it like they do. It's like in a straight piece. If I could take it off with one hand. But yeah, I'm gonna take it all off and then show you. Here it is. There's everything laid out. The front bumper, the side skirts and the lip and everything. The LED lights that go on the edges. Overall, love how it looks. I think it's gonna look great. And I love how it's not folded. So it's not like bent or creased where you have to like apply heat or everything. And I love how like this part is just glossy, right? It's gonna look amazing. I'm gonna set it all up together because you have to like bolt it and screw that part in there and all that stuff. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Back to work, man. Can't let nothing stop me. Look at that front bumper. I already got the quarter panel in there too, so I'm currently like trying to hammer that shit back in. And with that, we got the last 2 packages. We have one more, which is like the carbon fiber like winglet for the mirror. But this is the main stuff I need to like complete the car so it's like drivable and whatnot. This should be in the 2 packages. We have the cold air intake. It's a short ram, so regular cold air intake. And then the 2 fender liner for each tire wall, since the one I have is completely busted. So those are the last few things. We are still waiting on the what's it called? We're waiting on the carbon fiber winglet. Like I said, we're also waiting on the dash cam. And then for the grill, I have like a Lexus logo. That's LED coming up. And then I'm gonna add some underglow just cause why not? So I'm gonna wire it to the fog light. So only when I turn on the fog light do those like grill lights and the underglow turn on. So it's not always on and just corny. I wanna try it out cause I think it's pretty cool. But of course, you know, underglow in the 2025 is kind of crazy. But regardless of that, I am still gonna try it out just because it's corny and it's cool at the same time, you know. And like with the wing and all that stuff, I just want to like change the look of the car and just the overall vibe and the feeling. Even in the interior, I'm still waiting to do the starlights. I'm probably do that sometime this week while I wait for the dash cam, since I still have to wire the cameras for it anyways. So no point putting the dash cam back in just to take the headliner back in, just take it out. And I also did wrap the headliner in suede. So we're going to get that cool black kind of starly vibe. I haven't wrapped the A, B, and C panel. Not sure if I'll do that or when I'll get to that or if it's going to look weird. But we're going to leave it for now and then we'll work our way slowly to there. So that's kind of it for the unboxing. Next thing to do is just fit everything back in and just kind of show you how it overall looks after. I don't want it to be a super long video of me installing every single thing because most of the stuff are like trial and error. Some things don't fit properly, like the rear bumper, how I had some issues with it, but I got some workaround just to make it look nice. We're gonna paint it, fix all of that, fix that as well. We're gonna like kind of just make it look great. You know, it's not gonna look perfect since I am doing it myself. I'm unexperienced. I've never like worked on a car to this scale. I kind of just learn it as I go. So appreciate for the support. Appreciate you guys for watching. And that's kind of it. Thank you.